Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Acura RDX key fob battery. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself at home. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2032 coin cell battery. Make sure your workspace is clear and well lit. This simple guide will walk you through each step, ensuring your key fob is working perfectly again in no time. Let's get started. Now let's open the key fob. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press and hold this button, then pull out the emergency key. This key slides out easily, revealing a small slot. Insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to separate the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to use too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. The halves should pop apart with minimal effort. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side, marked with a plus sign. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery. It should pop out without much resistance. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing up. Just like the old one, it should click securely into place. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob, making sure all the buttons and components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear them click securely into place. Reinsert the emergency key back into its slot until it locks. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. If you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check out the description for a link to a great book and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.